How to change Instagram name before 14 days. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change your Instagram name before 14 days. So what happens is if you go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and you want to change your name, you usually hit the edit profile button and then go to your name. And let's say if you want to change it just like so, you're only able to do it twice every 14 days. So I'll just change it something like this and just tap on the done icon at the top right. And if you're sure you want to change it, tap on change name. Now, if I try to change it back again, I'm not able to do it. So if I just add a number here, tap on done, and then tap on change name, you won't be able to do it because you can only do it twice every 14 days. So once you do that, you are no longer able to change your name. So all you need to do is go back here, tap on the profile icon, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and find the help section. From here, tap on report a problem. Then you can just go ahead and tap on report problem without shaking. Include your diagnostics and briefly explain that you want to change your name, but your name changing limit has been changed. So, after explaining your problem, Instagram will create a ticket for you and they'll contact you back on your email address. You just have to follow their steps. And if you really want to change your name, you might have to provide some kind of official ID, and then you can easily follow their instruction to change your name. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.